out safely. But the Blues go on, as their public affairs officer, Doug Shant, told us.
And so it's like losing a member of the family, and it brings the family together. And sure, it hurts, and everyone suffers in their own way. But as far as the team falling apart because of it, no, I think the team drew together.
Well, they come back. You always come back, and life goes on, and here's the proof. The Blue Angels, the finest Navy has to offer, among the finest the United States of America and the world have to offer, and in the air at the Dayton International Air Show.
This is an absolutely fantastic flying demonstration, and next to my guys who are going to a little later on this afternoon, and no disrespect to the Thunderbirds or anybody else, I like the Blue Angels. I'm sorry, I think it's a different plane. And there we go. The shot is in their Big D, the diamond, which is their hallmark, their show identifying. And here goes Andy down the way now. Watch this, ladies and gentlemen. Rotates the airplane about 102 knots, 107 miles an hour.
And he'll actually lose a little altitude coming back towards.
Altitude starts full. Now he has to push forward on the stick to keep him going down. Pull back. Now watch, he comes down close to the ground again. And Andy Caputi is off and flying his first air show since last summer. What a great thing.